You can approximate the height h of a pole vaulter from the ground after t seconds with the equation h is equal to 32t minus 16t squared. Suppose the pole vaulter writes the equation. What information is the pole vaulter looking for? Well, obviously we're looking for the x-intercepts. Why might that be important? So if we have a grid, and here is the time and the height of a jump. Time 0, they're going to be at 0. And so they'll land after a certain amount of time. But as you know, once you discover the x-intercepts, you can find the line of symmetry. Once you have the line of symmetry, you can find the maximum. And that's really what the pole vaulter is after for, ultimately. So let's go ahead and help them out. To figure out if they clear that, or figure out how high they are, we must factor this expression so we can find the y-intercepts, which will the x-intercepts, which will give us the line of symmetry, which will then give us the maximum. So I need to factor this. When I'm factoring a quadratic, the first thing I look for is a greatest common monomial. And the greatest common monomial in this case is going to be -8, because I really want that t squared to be positive. So I have 0 is equal to -8t, because we both have t's. And let's go ahead and divide both of these by -8t. -16 divided by -8 is +2. T squared divided by t is t. 32t divided by -8t is equal to -4. That's it. So now it's time to solve it. I have it factored. Let's solve it. To solve it, I break it into its two linear components and set both equal to 0. Obviously, this t divided by 8 divided by 8, I get 0 is equal to t. Over here, add 4, we get 2t is equal to 4 divided by 2 divided by 2, so we get t is equal to 2 seconds. So that means that the maximum is going to occur at 1 second. That makes life easy. So now let's find out what that maximum point is. So let's plug in 1 to both my t's. So I have -8. I'll change colors since I'm doing something different. So I have -8 times t, which is 1, times 2 times 1 minus 4. All right, -8 times 1 is in fact -8. 2 times 1 is 2 minus 4. So I have -8 times -2 for a grand total of 16 feet. That's the answer on your Edmodo assignment. He is not even close to making 17.5 feet. Although 16 feet does seem awfully high in the first place.